Good day everyone, and to Ma'am Asmawil. So I am Nicole Pelin from DSN1B. So today I'm going to discuss about trends in IT from recent years. So the topics include the industry sectors, use of technology, specifically Internet of Things and automation, articles regarding online banking as well as the business sectors, online presence through e-commerce are likewise included. So IT trends on education and case studies on the use of technology in healthcare also presented. Lastly, this chapter covers several issues in IT that the different sectors face. So let us now begin the trends in industry. So the industry sector in the Philippines is made up of local and foreign companies that provide different products and services to Filipinos. Some companies in the food industry include Universal Robina and Mondanisin, while those in the beverage industry include San Miguel Brewery and Pepsi Philippines. So two major trends are seen in the sector: automation and the application of Internet of Things or the IoT. Hence the introduction of smart industries. So Internet of Things. So it is becoming an increasingly growing topic of conversation both in the workplace and in the society at large. It has the potential to impact how we live and how we work. For instance, through the use of sensors, electronics, and robotics, major companies have reported increase in productivity as well as accuracy of results in their production lines. So the Internet of Things significantly impacts our lives, bringing both advantages and challenges. Its core function is to connect everybody objects to the internet, enabling them to collect and exchange data. So the following presents the positive impact of the Internet of Things in the business. So first is the effective communication and instant messaging services. So the internet provides readily available and efficient ways to communicate with others, such as email, instant messaging apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, and video conferencing. So this facilitates quick and easy information exchange. The next is the increased business interactions, save vital time. So online tools and platforms allow businesses to connect with clients and partners more easily and quickly. This reduces time spent on traditional communication methods, improving efficiency and productivity. Next is the less complicated banking, transactions, and shopping. Online banking, e-commerce, and digital payment systems simplify financial transactions and purchasing goods. This eliminates the need for physical visits to banks or stores, saving time and effort. The fourth one is access the latest news from anywhere in the world. So the internet provides immediate access to global news sources, updates, and information from anywhere with an internet connection. Next is the run online course on virtual assistants using internet. So the internet allows for the creation and delivery of online courses, including those focused on technology like virtual assistants. This expands access to education and training. Then next is the professionals have Internet of Things devices in healthcare, e-commerce, and AI to help in doing jobs easily. So professionals in various fields leverage the Internet of Things devices along with e-commerce platforms and artificial intelligence to perform their tasks more efficiently and effectively. This includes using smart devices for data collection, analysis, and automation. So the next, it presents the negative impact of the Internet of Things in business. So first is easily availability of age-unsuitable content, materials, and information. So the internet allows easy access to content that may be inappropriate or harmful for certain age groups. This includes graphic violence, sexually explicit material, hate speech, and other potentially damaging content. Next is social networks disturb life personally and professionally. So, excessive use of social media can negatively impact both personal and professional life. This can manifest as distraction, decreased productivity, cyberbullying, social comparison, and mental health issues. The next is stealing data or hacking into Internet of Things devices is easy. So the interconnected nature of the Internet of Things creates vulnerabilities. It's relatively easy for malicious actors to steal data from Internet of Things devices or hack into them to gain unauthorized access or control. Then lastly is using the internet to spread bad scenarios via the Internet of Things device is easy. So the internet and Internet of Things devices can be used to spread misinformation, propaganda, harmful content, and malicious software. This can have a significant negative impact on individuals and society as a whole.
Hi everyone, good day. I am Mary Christine Sermio and today I'm going to discuss the IT automation and what it is used for. So, IT automation, automating what used to be manual procedure in the trend in organizations and industries. As with Internet of Things, automation helps many companies achieve greater productivity among its employees by using computers and software programs to do the task. Such automation includes accounting systems, production systems, and even security systems. So, what IT automation is used for? So, IT operations manager can use automation for several tasks, including incident management. Although organizations can't avoid all major incidents, IT automation can help companies deal with them when they happen. Using automation to respond to major incidents help enterprises restore service faster and with fewer errors. IT automation lets companies reduce the duration of incidents and reduce the cost of such incidents for themselves and their customers. So, in terms of incident management, while completely avoiding major incidents is impossible, IT automation significantly improves response times and reduces resolution time. Automated systems can quickly identify, diagnose, and even resolve minor issues, minimizing downtime and cost. So, IT automations help us reduce incident. So, IT automation is one of the important factor that we need because it helps us reduce again the incident. It reduces the time of how are we going to cope up. So, what is IT automation is used for? So, we have application deployment. So, whether organizations use traditional or continuous integration and continuous application deployment approaches, automating essential tasks and capabilities, particularly during testing, can help them successfully deploy their application. Automation to help companies progress from commit and build to testing to deployment in a more systematic manner, improving and reducing opportunities of human error. So, IT automation plays a crucial role in application deployment. So, streaming like the process and minimizing errors regardless to whether organizations utilize traditional or continuous integration, continuous deployment methods. So, automating tasks during the testing phase is particularly beneficial. This includes automated testing procedures, configuration management, and deployment scripts. This automation ensures consistency and reduces the risk of human error. So, regardless to the systematic application deployment, automation helps organizations move through the different stages of deployment: commit, build, test, and deploy. So, in a more systematic and controlled manner, this improves efficiency and throughput by eliminating manual steps that are prone to delays and mistakes. And also in terms of improving the efficiency and throughput by automating um, repetitive tasks, the entire deployment process become faster and more efficient. This allows the organization to deploy applications more frequently and respond more quickly to changing business needs. Also, in reduced human error, automating tasks minimizes the risk of human errors, which can lead to significant problems during deployment. So, in terms of reduces human error, automating tasks minimizes the risk of human error, which can lead to significant problem during deployment. Automated processes are more consistent and reliable, reducing the likelihood of deployment failures. In essence, IT automation in application deployment leads to faster, more reliable, and more efficient deployments, ultimately improving the speed and quality of software delivery. So next we have using IT automation, organizations can deploy their applications with confidence, configure necessary services from the outset, as well as get their application and artifacts, such as work that has been documented and stored in a repository so it can retrieve upon demand, up and running via a common, transparent approach that all their IT staff members can understand. So IT automations enables organizations to deploy application with greater confidence by providing standardized, transparent approach accessible to IT staff. This is achieved through two key methods, which are the configuration, necessary services, and the retrieval of application artifacts. So, in configuration of necessary services, automation ensures that all the required services are properly configured from the beginning to the deployment process. This eliminates manual configuration, which is prone to errors and inconsistencies. These automated configurations ensures the consistent and reliable environment for the applications. So, in retrieval of application artifacts, IT automation facilitates the retrieval of application artifacts, such as documentation and code stored in a repository or on demand. This simplifies the deployment process and ensures that all necessary components are readily available. So next, we are going to proceed to security and compliance. So IT operations managers can use IT automation to define and enforce security compliance and risk management policies, as well as remediate any issues by building them as automated steps throughout their infrastructures. So, IT automations enable IT operations managers to keep security at the front of their information technology processes and to be more proactive in their security efforts, implementing standardized, automated cybersecurity processes and workflows makes compliance as well as auditing easier. So, IT operation is a powerful tool for improving security compliance and risk management within IT operations. So, IT automations allow operations manager to define and enforce security policies, compliances, and regulations, and also the risk management protocols. These policies are integrated directly into automated workflows, ensuring consistent application across the entire infrastructures. When security issues arise, IT automation can automatically remediate them. So, this proactive approach helps to contain and resolve problems quickly, reducing the potential impact on the organizations. And by automating cybersecurity processes and workflows, organizations create standardized and repeatable procedures. This consistency makes compliance auditing significantly easier and more efficient. So now, let's proceed to IT automation pros and cons. IT automation's benefits include faster data-centered cloud operation, reduced error and variation from one implementation of a task to the next, and enhanced security and governance. However, an IT automation strategy must account for the eliminate errors. An automated error will proliferate much more quickly than a manual error. IT automation can also erroneously become a goal in and of itself, regardless of the return of investment from the initial setup work to time saved. So, in speed, IT operations requires a significant number of distinct tasks. An IT administrator can accomplish each task manually, but modern business demands place extraordinary pressure on IT staff to respond quickly to needs across the large complex infrastructures. Human cannot provide or provision and configure workloads in minutes and accomplish all the individual routine tasks required at any time of day. Automation frees administrators from time spent on routine tasks so that they can apply themselves to value-added projects for the business such as IT infrastructure optimization and experimentation with promising new technologies and products. Increasing speed demands of modern business operation necessity, IT automation can handle the volume of administrative tasks efficiently. While manual task completion is possible, it's far too slow for today's needs. So the benefits of IT automation, number one is we have the increase of speed. So in automation can provide the figure of workloads in minute as speed far exceeding human capacities. This allow for rapid response to business needs across complex infrastructures. Accuracy, an IT administrator is liable to make an error while typing in a CLI. So choose the wrong configuration setting for a server, overlook a key step in a complex task, or make other mistakes. So error leads admins to take additional time to troubleshoot and repeat the work process to get it right. IT automation enables an IT professional to construct a proven, accurate sequence of operations that can be run countless times in the same manner. Error is a significant factor in IT administration, leading to inaccurate and wasted time. IT automation offers a solution by providing a repeatable, accurate process. So, number one, benefits of IT automation for accuracy is the elimination of human error. So, automation removes the risk of human error in repetitive tasks such as CLI commands, server configuration, and complex procedures. This leads to greater accuracy and fewer mistakes. So, consistency and repeatable processes. So, automated processes execute the same sequence of operations consistently every time, eliminating variation that can lead to errors. This ensures consistent and reliable results. So, reduce the troubleshooting time. So, the accuracy of automated processes reduces the need for troubleshooting the network or the and rework, saving significant time and resources. So, that would be all for my part. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am ARMINA Samputo. So now I'm going to report about IT automation pros and cons. So it's about analyzing advantage and disadvantage of IT automation. So one of the advantage and disadvantage of IT automation is intent. So intent, an automated system is not the same thing as an intelligent system. It only knows as much as the human does program it can distill into script and commands. For example, an email spam filter is an automated IT mechanism with the intent to filter out unwanted message. Occasionally, valid email message will end up in the spam folder, and unwanted spam emails gets past the filter. So, intent explained that automated system, while useful, are not intelligent. They only do what they're programmed to do. An email spam filter is used as an example. It aims to filter out unwanted emails, but sometimes mistakenly flags important emails or lets spam through. It lacks true understanding and decision making. And the next is governance. Different IT administrators perform the same task in different ways, and even the same administrator handles a task differently from one time to the next. For corporate governance and regulatory compliance, an IT automation strategy demonstrates consistency in IT operations regardless of the administrator on any given day. So, the governance discusses the importance of IT automation for maintaining good governance and ensuring regulatory compliance. The key point is that different IT administrators may perform the same task inconsistently. Even the same administrator might handle a task differently at different times. This inconsistency is a problem. Therefore, a well-defined IT automation strategy is essential to standardize processes and guarantee consistency in IT operations. Regardless of the specific administrator involved on any given day, this consistency is critical for meeting corporate governance requirements and adhering to regulations. And the next is flexibility. Processes change over time as the IT's infrastructure grows and changes, and technologies and best practices evolve. Automated processes remain static until a person decides to change them. Organization must have a set work be to update and revalidate automation processes, including discipline automation versioning that tracks how tasks change over time. So, this report emphasizes that IT systems need to be flexible because technology and best practices are always changing. It highlights two main points. The number one, it's constantly evolving, so it needs continuous improvement. And number two, automated system requires special management, including version control, to handle updates and ensure reliability. In short, the report argues for a proactive and well-organized approach to managing IT processes to keep them adaptable and efficient. And the next is integration and interoperability. IT automation tools must be compatible with systems, software, and other elements across potentially diverse IT environments. Ideally, an automation tool should integrate with higher-level orchestration tools to roll tasks together under governed workflows. So, importance of integration and interoperability in IT automation, it make two key points. Number one, compatibility. Automation tools must be work with existing systems and software across different IT environments. They can't be isolated. They need to connect. Number two, orchestration. Ideally, these tools should connect with higher level management tools to coordinate tasks and create smoother, more efficient workflows. This means tasks can be combined and managed more effectively. So, now we are going to move about benefits of IT automation. Everyday IT operation managers struggle to get more work done with fewer people. Automation offers several benefits to help them streamline IT operation, including save. So, this is the following: reduce cost, increase productivity, increase availability, greater reliability, better performance. So now, we move about the number 2 is banking. So, online banking or internet banking or web banking allows a user to execute financial transaction via the internet. Filipinos rely on their internet connection to avail of banking service. It means we have 2 points about banking in the Philippines. Number 1, online banking functionality. It explained that online internet or web banking allows users to conduct financial transaction over the internet. Number 2, Philippine reliance on the internet banking. It knows that Filipinos depend on their internet connection to access banking services. So if you have a question, you can ask me, and that's all my report. Thank you.